I have the key, and we will now unveil. Yes, we will now unveil. Ang boss ko si Joanne Lu, by the way. We will now unveil the CF Moto 800 NK. You guys ready?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3.
May tura, pre.
6 months. 1 month unit replacement upon purchase.
Simple lang, no?
Defect within 1 month palitan. Another po.
Oh, shoutout kay KM Motovlog. Kilometer Motovlog, shoutout sa'yo. Huwag ka titigil hanggat di mo ako nalalagpasan sa subscriber count o followers count. Kaya mo yan.
Big shoutout kay KM Motovlog. Nakita pa kami dito sa May Makina Moto Show. Follow nyo siya on YouTube, Facebook.
YouTube, Facebook, TikTok.
Follow nyo.
Keep hustling.
Yan! Ayun, motovlog na nasa kotse. Mga tol, what is up? Maligayang pagbabalik sa ating channel. Kasama natin ngayon si Chris. What's up? Ayun, pupunta tayo Makina Moto Show, day 1. Pero babalik pa tayo ng day 3. No, 2 araw tayo ngayon sa Makina Moto Show. Alright. Let's go!
Lish! Maulan!
Dito na tayo para
So, mga kino-tips.
50%.
Salamat sa Cardo.
Salamat sa Cardo, 50%.
50%.
Let's go!
Ay,
Bago.
Grabe, daming tao. Excited na ba kayo? Ako rin eh.
saan ba? Yung 800.
800.
800
May-ari ng SMX, wala pa siya.
NK 800. Saka ita.
Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Welcome to the Makina Moto Show 2023. We are here at the beautiful CF Moto Philippines booth, and we are about to witness the unveiling of the newest addition to CF Moto's motorcycle lineup, the all-new CF Moto 800 NK. Here with us to officially open our program, the creator and founder of Makina Moto Show, the great, the legendary, and once again, give it up for Mr. Zach Lucero.
Sakto yung sinabi mong bundok namatay yung ano. Sino ba yung nagsasabi? And maraming salamat for showing up. You know, this is great. Again, CF Moto, they've been at it, they've been coming up with good products. And we're very happy that they have something to announce once again. And it is my honor to introduce the person who's going to spearhead this launch. We were supposed to be together in Turkey. I'll leave that story up to him to tell. But you know, ladies and gentlemen, Billy Crawford!
Thank you very much, Zach. Nilaglag pa ako ni Zach. Good afternoon, everyone. How's everybody feeling right now? Okay, para mas malakas, gusto niyo Tagalog. Kamusta kayo? Check. Wow. Praise Jesus.
Wait, I want to introduce you properly. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do this over. Siya yung pinakagwapo. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Billy Crawford!
Thanks guys, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. First of all, my name is Viola Pascual. And, sorry, nagloko yung mic, nagloko pa yung host. No, my name is Billy Crawford and I am the ambassador of CF Moto. Actually, I call them family. CF has been family for actually a year and a half or maybe 2 years na yata. 2, yes. We have launched a few bikes but this one is going to be very special today. Excited ba kayo? Yeah. All right. Well, I would like to extend a very welcome to all of you at the CF Moto booth where we will be launching one of the most awaited bikes this year. Yes, you heard it right. I know it's this is what everyone's been waiting for. This moment ever since it was revealed in China last February. So let's get to it. Yung sinasabi ni Zach kanina, there was an event in Turkey where we were invited to test out this beautiful ADV and the launch of the CF Moto 400. 450. SR ba? Yes. So, see? Hindi ako nakasama dahil hindi ako pinayagan dahil sa passport ko. Buisit sila. Anyways, let's move on. Now, you guys want to hear about the technical aspects of this beautiful bike that we're about to unveil? Gusto niyo malaman kung ano nandito? Okay, let me tell you this. Let's start off with its design. The extreme lightweightness of the 800NK plays an important role for its excellent agility and feel. From the beginning of the product's planning stages, the CF Moto design team has integrated the lightweight concept into exterior design, complementing every part of the bodywork to increase its performance. The 800NK front end is made to be distinct without being intentionally controversial, as we say. Its V-shaped headlight is a definite step forward from the rather bland design of the current CF Moto NK models. The V shape of the headlight is reflected in a winglet wind deflector above it, and it also has the upper surface of the front fender below. Oh, nai-imagine nyo na, di ba? Now, let's have a look at the engine. Now, the engine now is, well, yeah, let's change the topic. We haven't seen it, but let's hear about the engine of the 800NK, which is derived from the KTM engine platform. The 800NK gives a more powerful linear riding experience for every single rider. Lahat ng rider, kayang-kaya ito. Puwera sa asawa ko yata. Now, the 800NK horsepower reaches over 100 HP with 10,500 RPM on the clock and a top speed that can exceed over 220 kilometers per hour. Yes, mga kamote riders, chill-chill lang kayo. Ha? Huwag papahuli. Mga kamote riders, say hey! Hey! Wow, aminado pa sila. Tsaka club makina pa, mahiya-hiya kayo, huy. Now, let's get back to the 800NK. For the safety features, let's talk about the 800NK offers various power delivery options. Now, ABS mode levels through the integration of ECU advanced electronics and the option to alter handling setup preferences to up to 10 different levels. Yes, not one, not 5, but 10 different levels. It's also equipped with 3 different riding modes that are perfect for the streets of the Philippines. We have rain, street, and sports. Ano yun? Baha. Walang option para sa baha. Iwan nyo yung motor nyo sa bahay nyo. Now, this is also very important. The KYB suspension of the 800NK was also prioritized to be made fully adjustable at the front and has a preload and rebound adjustment at the rear. And riders have repeatedly tested the hardware on track, professional test sites, street, and also mountain roads. Sa mga mahilig magmarilaki, yeah, makikita na ito doon. Now, the shock absorber really meets the needs of riders in different situations. Now, J1, now part of Brembo, manufactures the brakes with twin 4-piston radial mount calipers at the front and a single 2-piston unit at the rear. Now, check this out. For the display, makikita nyo in a little bit, you cannot take it home and use it for your children. It is not an iPad or a laptop. Yes, but it is special. It has a 4-way joypad on the left handlebar to navigate the modern and digital tablet style full-color TFT dash. Now, we have all the important parts of the 800NK. It's about time to announce, well, instead of announcing, ano yung pinaka number 1 question na tanong about motorcycles, especially CF Moto? What is the number 1 question? Huh? How much is the HM? Yun yung mga ano, hindi pwede pa mind dito. how much is the 800 NK? Well, magkano? But before we take a guess, would you like to see the 800 NK of CF Moto? Get your cameras, your phones, whatever you have, sa mga vloggers, mga photographers, ito na ang pagkakataon nyo. Please tag CF Moto Philippines. Do not forget, I have the key, and we will now unveil. Yes, we will now unveil. Ang boss ko si Joanne Lu, by the way. We will now unveil the CF Moto 800 NK. You guys ready? Yeah! 1, 2, 3. Wala pa yan. Huwag kayo ma-excite sa tunog. Yung presyo muna. Mga kamotor, and please, think about kung ano mga description na sinabi ko sa inyo. Nakita niyo naman ang TFT display. Yung dongle sa kaliwa, sa handlebars, nakikita niyo na lahat ng motor. Yes, it's lightweight. Sobrang gaan ng motor na ito. Ngayon, nakita niyo na. Let's take a guess. How much is the CF Moto 800 NK? First guess.
470.
450. Umuwi ka muna. The price of the CF Moto 800 NK is... Wala pa nga. Ikaw naman, Tol. Para sa mga kamote riders. 800 NK costs 488,800 pesos. You heard it right. Yes, it will be available in bank financing soon. If you have any questions about the CF Moto 800 NK or any other CF Moto bikes, please approach this booth. Contact anybody that's wearing a CF Moto shirt. Wag lang ako dahil meron pa akong trabaho after this. Pero please, video, take pictures. Do not forget to tag CF Moto Philippines. Once again, mga kamotor, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Pogi no? Pogi no yung shirt mo. Ka lang, nagkakabot. Tara, bili muna tayo helmet. Si Jet Li. Tara, hanap muna tayo helmet.
Adventure to eh. Adventure to eh.
Pwede mong tanggalin yan, naka-display yan dun oh. Pwedeng wala na ito eh. Pogi ka, gago. Pogi gago.
Okay din naman. Hindi pa.
Ganda nga ng pagka-arbon.
Ito kasi wala pa to dati. Ito pa lang meron. Flight. Ito lang dapat to ordering ko. Yan, puti. Kaya lang ko 6'2". Bakalan ako sa 6'2". Kaya nag-recon na lang ako.
Ayun, hanapin natin toothless guys.
Ayan, aliens oh.
Ayun, Arto.
Ito maganda oh, F70. Pogi rin yun oh. Para ka nga lang ano, Power Rangers.
Dito tayo pumasok. So, Arto, 1-3.
Arpa 1? Magkano na Arpa? 22 yung 90. 20,000 yung 70. Dual visor. Maganda naman ito eh.
Maganda yung forma niya. So, mas gusto ko yung ayoko na ng dual visor. Ang ganda ng kulay nito.
20k lang yung Arpa ha? 70 yun yung 11. Magkano?
Sale price yan, pre.
sale price. Hindi,
Oo, dito
SRP
lang.
niya kasi tignan mo 25.9 lang. Ang pala.
Gago size medium.
Ang gaan.
Size
Ang gaan.
medium.
Puti ng inang yan.
Pawak nga.
Hindi yata pwede.
Hindi, pawak lang.
Ito,
Parehas lang nung sa akin.
Ang pakagaan itong
Pero
arawan.
pogi.
Ay. Ikaw, ang ganda nitong blue.
Mas gusto ko tong gloss. Ito simple lang eh. Mas pogi itong gloss eh.
Bagay sa motor ko.
Diba? Gwapo yun. Ang tulis kasi pre. Tapos may spoiler
pa. Diba? Oh, 11 lang meron nun.
Alin?
Yung may lalagyan ng battery pack ng ano.
Ewan ko. Level lang.
Salo.
Yung carbon yun, yung kay Doc meron. Gago tumama sa bakal. Pogi.
Ah, ganda mo.
Pogi yung
35
toothpaste
ka lang.
talaga pre.
35? Toothpaste pa tayo nag-ano yun. Sa 11. Pagka-brand new. No?
Oo. Mura nga. Mura sa totoo lang. Mura.
50 to nung unang launch.
Sipin mo to. Hindi, yung ano yun. Yung Red Bull. Oo, Red Bull yun. 50 plus yun. Ito mo kahit nung sa akin pre,
Kay Doc.
mas mura pa yung sa
Prince. Sino ba nakaganito sa atin? Wala?
si Iman. Si Iman nakaganyan.
Sino to? Gablin?
Goblin yan pre, Goblin.
Hala ko, Joker.
Tara. Pogi ng toothpaste no?
Sonic. COD. Ah, Punisher pala ito. Hindi pala ito yung COD. Hindi pala ito yung Call
Tara.
of Duty.
150 sir, dalawa na.
150 lang.
Yes po, dalawa.
150 lang pala eh.
Makakailangan ko.
na yan, sir. Tawag mo na lang.
Yes po.
Lahat ng kulay.
Available
Dalawa.
po lahat ng kulay.
Dalawa. Tatlo kasi helmet kit.
Thank you sir, balik ka.
Kikas pa?
Yes, pero
Ay, itong jersey.
jersey. 1-3 sir.
Ay, print yun oh.
Oo nga.
Gawa niyo yung printer boss. Makikita mo yung bagong design na yan. Pag sinuot mo yan, ng pogi mo. Sobra.
Ito lang tatlo kulay.
Yes po.
Sir Bob, sure like yung ano namin, yung page namin. Meron pag naano ko na, pipicturean ko lang. Meron kami nung ano eh,
Thank you. Ay, ito. Thank you. Yun. Oh, pare.
Okay na?
Oo, di-display ko sa kwarto ko. Ayan.
Ay, black.
Black. I like black. Black looks good. Ayan. Tama naman ako, black lang ako.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Tama mo, environment, eco-friendly.
Nakita ko na ito kanina eh.
Kasi, ang kalat ng kwarto ko.
Eh! Eh! Abot mo. Tiptoe. Ah. Try ako.
Bot, pogi. Ito yung malapit sa katotohanan na Ford.
Sakto sa tiyan ko. Laki ng tiyan ko eh.
Pogi din no? Pogi talaga.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, shoutout kay KM Motovlog. Kilometer Motovlog, shoutout sa'yo. Ay, di ba? Pero KM Motovlog, ayun, shoutout sa'yo. Do more motovlog ka, syempre, motovlog ka eh. Kaya ka motovlog kasi nasa motor ka habang nagbablog ka, tama? Tama. Hindi yung motovlog ka pero walang motor na nakikita. Diba? Doesn't make sense. Pero yan, keep on motovlogging and good luck sa'yo. Huwag ka titigil hanggang di mo ako nalalagpasan sa subscriber count or followers count. Kaya mo yan. Thank you. Yun, nakita ko din sa wakas. Tagal-tagal ko na pinapanood yan eh.
Boss J, man. Let me shout out.
Ay, buti sa akin to.
Kakatama talaga yung display yan eh. Ganda oh. Baka mag-motocross yung jowa ko.
Hindi, tatanggalin to eh.
Tatanggalin nga eh. Kaya mukha siya. Ano ba to? Ah, okay. Hindi siya. Ano to?
Pan-detach.
Ha?
Pag-detach mo siguro.
Ah, pagkatanggalin? 3.3? 4295. 900 pala discount.
Itong puti oh. Ano, no. Ay, tsura pre.
Okay lang. Kasya ba? Sakto?
Oo, sakto.
Okay lang. Panibago lang sa'yo yung ano.
Hindi, alin eh.
May Sun Bison. Kaya may Sun Bison.
Pero ang ganda, di ba?
Dalawa. May Bison. Isang Bison.
Okay, dito na ako po. Yeah. Balik tayo sa day 2.
Day 2, day 3 pala, babalik kami. Shoo!
O nga, day 3.
Day 3 kami babalik. Bye!
Rinig mo ah.
Yo!
Ayun.
What's up?
Kasama natin si Cap. Day 3 na ng makina at anong oras na kami?
Yee! Main event kami dun eh.
Main event ang puta.
Dating natin, nakit na agad yung stage.
Yan. Siya, tara, punta na tayo ng SMX Convention Center. Hey, we're back. Hey. Ito yung bagong ano, ito yung bagong BS 400, bagong BS 400.
Ayan naman siya, ang sinasabi mo. Pangalan yan. Yan yung gusto.
Ito pala Jabre. Ito Jabre. Teka, titingin ako ng price. Intercom para sa kanya. Ito yung pricing ng Jabre. Yung duo,
3-day nagpakita
pwede ko, yung duo pwedeng i-connect sa ano, kasi pabibili ko lang sa OBR ko eh. Pwedeng i-connect sa ibang intercom.
Basta yung intercom mo is, meron kasi mga intercom na hindi nako-connect.
May Bluetooth naman siya. Cardo. Oh, pwede ito ma-connect. Gano'ng katagal warranty nito? 6 months? May ano kayo? May debit card kayo? Meron? Sige. O anong ano? Duo. Isa lang? Isa lang.
Install na ba sir?
Yun lang. Ay hindi. Ako lang. Yung unit lang. Oo. Hindi ko dala yung helmet eh. Nasa parking. Nakakatamad. Ha?
Dala mo yung OBR.
Ito. Ha? Hindi na nakalak. Gumagana na yan. Hindi pwede ko naman yung dito.
Sa full face sir. Ito yung mic na gagamitin mo sa full face. 6 months. 1 month unit replacement. Kapag replace,
simple lang no?
defect within 1 month palitan. Another 5 months.
Isa lang po na, sir.
Opo, isa lang po.
Void ang
Power on off natin siya dito.
Asan na yung bolt?
Bluetooth sir.
pantay dapat mo.
Dito lang din long process lang sir, 5 seconds.
5 seconds dito long press.
Oo sir.
Ganun din gagawin ko pag ikaw sa ibang...
Opo, dito rin sir. Dito. Sir, lapag nyo lang cellphone yun, ganun nyo na lang.
Lahat ng helmet yun sir.
Then, may dalawa nyo sir para maano nyo yung...
Oh, ito lakas mo.
Lalo na sir pag nasa helmet.
Yun.
Pa 4 years na sir.
Keychain. Salamat, sir. Thank you. Mas magkano yung 799 lang to? Thank you, boss. Ay, puta ka na mo. Ikaw pala yan. Oh, get it. Okay.
Nagsaya natin lahat, no? Excited yung iba, naghihintay din talaga na matawag yung pangalan nila. So, okay, moment of truth. Ito na ang pinakahihintay natin lahat ng grand prize from S5.com. A brand new Honda ADV 160. Ayan, talaga napakaswerte ng mananalo tonight, no?
Kasi meron solusyong maayos na harap na Pinoy.
Rainiel Canonizado. Ayan, nandito ba si Sir Rainiel? Ayan, si Sir Rainiel nandito. Congratulations! Palakpakan para kay Sir Rainiel. Ayan, Sir Rainiel, ikaw naman ay nanalo ng Honda ADV 160. Please join us here on stage. Ayan, Sir, ano naman masasabi mo sa mga lahat na medyo sa Makina Moto Show and of course sa S5.com?
Thank you po sa magandang event and naging
Ayan, congratulations!
Napakaswerte. ADV. Napakaswerte.
Ang raffle segment natin na ito.
Sana all.
Wala si Yana? And the rest of your evening, pinapasabi.
Parang wala na. Ayun o, ayun o, ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o, jacket. Yung gantong jacket magkano?
160 ba? Pero meron sila ng Sabdi. Yung Sabdi nyo na jacket, boss.
Yung jacket. Gantong jacket.
Yung crash guard, fabricated din. Fabricated, work cover. Then, eto po, inalaman na rin po namin dun sa stock na plastic. Ginawa namin bakal para lang magkaroon ng accent yung tangkay, hindi may space sa harapan. Ayun po, sir. Salamat po, salamat. Congratulations. It's a lot of work to deliver that. And custom aluminum front fender, tapos and handguard ito. Ito malaking bagay sa amin itong mga nagmumotor kasi once na sumemplang kayo, ito naisip ko agad kasi masakit ba, mahirap magpagaling ng sugat. Kaya ginawa ko itong handguard. Sa kauling ko, nagdiyan ko ng use kasi sayang malaki siya. Ginawa ko ng compartment. Para if ever na yung wallet mo, hindi mo nang lalagay ha. Galing ha? Pasok mo sa trabaho, may lunchbox. May lunchbox. 1, 2, 3. Para makakaibigan. So ito na rin yung daylight niya, nandito na rin. Yung signal light niya, andyan na rin. Ginawa ko siyang mas minimalista. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do you have a battery issue? Umanda na kanina? You started kanina. So everybody, let's imagine. But the builders acknowledged that it fired up naman. Okay. Round of applause. Okay, so at this point, I will explain how we are. The winner is. Makina Moto Show nga pala mangyayari April again next year. So I will be announcing where we're gonna do this and the exact time and date. So we are very, very excited for that. Okay, now the winner for this year's bike build-off, again, thank you so much, Yamaha, is... Makina Moto Changge is happening in October, by the way. Again, we will announce our
Yan naman, puro accessories yan. Masaya yan. Paggabi siya, tapos puro discount ng mga helmet at mga kung ano-ano. Okay, alright, let's go out with the winner. Our winner this time for 2023 for the bike build-up. Again, thank you so much Yamaha for supporting this. The winner goes to Garage Esquinita! So the voting was pretty much unanimous in that sense.
Bye! Picture bike! Ay! Ito. Okay. Ano pila pa ba? Hindi ko rin alam, kakalabas ko lang.
Ano yan?
Naka-on ka.
Kaya Moto ba? Big shoutout kay Moto Vlog. Nandito pa kami dito sa may Makina Moto Show. Follow nyo siya on YouTube, Facebook,
Facebook, TikTok.
Follow nyo na.
Yun. Thank you. Thank you. Uwi na muna.